Jesus Christ is the Lord of lords and kings of all kings.
He is the King of all kings. He is the leader of all leaders. He is the Lord of all lords and the ruler over all the kings of the earth. And His dominion, His authority, His sovereignty is forever. It will never end. He loved us before He made us and created us. Jesus to us is all love. Jesus to us is all salvation and redemption. With His own life, He put it on the line to give us life. With His own blood, washed us clean from every sin, every mistake, every error. I can assure you this is the truth. There is no God but Jesus Christ of Nazareth. There is no way but Jesus Christ of Nazareth. There is no truth but Jesus Christ of Nazareth. There is no life but Jesus Christ of Nazareth. God wants you. Just come back.